Shower. A device for bathing that sprays water from above. Example: I take a refreshing shower daily.
I take a refreshing shower daily.
She sings in the shower happily.
She sings in the shower happily.
I love the feeling of rain showers.
I love the feeling of rain showers.
He hurriedly took a quick shower.
He hurriedly took a quick shower.
Don't forget to turn off the shower.
Don't forget to turn off the shower.
The water pressure in the shower is low.
The water pressure in the shower is low.
She always uses scented shower gel.
She always uses scented shower gel.
The hot shower helped me relax.
The hot shower helped me relax.
He accidentally slipped in the shower.
He accidentally slipped in the shower.
I need to buy a new shower head.
I need to buy a new shower head.
Bathtub. A large container for bathing and soaking in water. Example: I enjoy soaking in a luxurious bathtub.
I enjoy soaking in a luxurious bathtub.
The bathtub is filled with warm water.
The bathtub is filled with warm water.
She relaxes with a book in the bathtub.
She relaxes with a book in the bathtub.
The bathtub is big and comfortable.
The bathtub is big and comfortable.
He prefers showers over bathtubs.
He prefers showers over bathtubs.
The bathtub needs to be cleaned.
The bathtub needs to be cleaned.
The bathtub is made of porcelain.
The bathtub is made of porcelain.
The bathtub faucet is dripping again.
The bathtub faucet is dripping again.
He slipped and fell in the bathtub.
He slipped and fell in the bathtub.
The bathtub is too small for me.
The bathtub is too small for me.
Toilet. A fixture used for urination and defecation. Example: the toilet is clogged and it won't flush.
The toilet is clogged and it won't flush.
He forgot to lock the toilet door.
He forgot to lock the toilet door.
The toilet paper roll is empty.
The toilet paper roll is empty.
I need to clean the toilet bowl.
I need to clean the toilet bowl.
I'm in a hurry. Where's the nearest toilet?
I'm in a hurry. Where's the nearest toilet?
He forgot to flush the toilet again.
He forgot to flush the toilet again.
The toilet flush is not working properly.
The toilet flush is not working properly.
The toilet paper dispenser is out of stock.
The toilet paper dispenser is out of stock.
She sprayed air freshener in the toilet.
She sprayed air freshener in the toilet.
The toilet is located on the second floor.
The toilet is located on the second floor.
Towel. A cloth used for drying oneself after bathing or swimming. Example: the towel is soft and absorbent.
The towel is soft and absorbent.
I need to hang the wet towel to dry.
I need to hang the wet towel to dry.
He dried off with a clean towel.
He dried off with a clean towel.
The hotel provides fresh towels daily.
The hotel provides fresh towels daily.
I forgot to pack a beach towel.
I forgot to pack a beach towel.
The towel has a beautiful floral pattern.
The towel has a beautiful floral pattern.
He wiped his hands with a small towel.
He wiped his hands with a small towel.
The towel rack is mounted on the wall.
The towel rack is mounted on the wall.
She folded the towel neatly after use.
She folded the towel neatly after use.
I need to buy new bath towels.
I need to buy new bath towels.
Shampoo. A liquid or gel used for cleaning and washing hair. Example: I need to buy more shampoo soon.
I need to buy more shampoo soon.
She lathered the shampoo into her hair.
She lathered the shampoo into her hair.
The shampoo bottle is almost empty.
The shampoo bottle is almost empty.
He prefers using organic shampoos.
He prefers using organic shampoos.
I wash my hair with shampoo every day.
I wash my hair with shampoo every day.
The shampoo has a pleasant fragrance.
The shampoo has a pleasant fragrance.
I accidentally got shampoo in my eyes.
I accidentally got shampoo in my eyes.
The shampoo leaves my hair silky.
The shampoo leaves my hair silky.
I can't find my favorite shampoo brand.
I can't find my favorite shampoo brand.
I spilled shampoo on the bathroom floor.
I spilled shampoo on the bathroom floor.
Soap. A substance used for cleansing and lathering during bathing. Example: I washed my hands with soap and water.
I washed my hands with soap and water.
She dropped the slippery soap bar.
She dropped the slippery soap bar.
The soap dispenser is running low.
The soap dispenser is running low.
He prefers using liquid soap over bars.
He prefers using liquid soap over bars.
I need to buy more dish soap.
I need to buy more dish soap.
I ran out of hand soap.
I ran out of hand soap.
She carved a beautiful soap sculpture.
She carved a beautiful soap sculpture.
The soap bar slipped out of my hand.
The soap bar slipped out of my hand.
He washed his face with gentle soap.
He washed his face with gentle soap.
I dropped the soap in the shower.
I dropped the soap in the shower.